Hey guys, you know what day it is? It's time to talk about Christmas. We're pivoting today. We're pivoting. It's time to talk Christmas. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so in today's video, I thought we would pivot. Who says it? Pivot? Pivot? I think that was in the Friends episode when Joey and Chandler were trying to take a couch up the stairs. It was like, pivot, pivot, pivot. So anyway, we are going to pivot. So in the last few videos, I showed you how I decorated my entryway here, and then I showed you a sneak peek of how I have decorated my hallway here in my home, and then we decorated my kitchen, and I just love the moody fall vibes. Like, look at the moody fall colors. Oh my gosh, just love it. So I was going to do a clean and decorate with me for my family room so you guys could see how I decorate it, but I changed my mind. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and decorate it, and then I'll come back and show you and walk you around. I just haven't had a lot of time to film and decorate, and I'm not going to get around to it. So I figure when I have some free time, I'll just go ahead and do it, and then I'll come back and show you. But until then, I thought, okay, along with the pivot, let's talk about Christmas. I asked you guys in a few videos ago if you would like to see what I am thinking about for Christmas, and a few of you said, yes, Cheryl, we would so love to know what you're thinking for Christmas. So all this year I've told you guys I am using what I have. I'm shopping my home. I'm not buying a lot of new things, and the same goes for Christmas, guys. I have so much Christmas decor. I have so much Christmas decor, it's not even funny. You guys know I change my theme every year, and as a result, you accumulate so much stuff. So I need to purge. So as I get ready for this Christmas, I'm going to go through and purge a lot of items, but I want to use things that I already have, so we will not be buying a whole lot of new things. And I bet you're wondering, well, Cheryl, what is your theme going to be? You guys know I love to decorate using black and white. They are my signature colors, and then I'll throw in some accent colors like green, silver. You know, I'm really big on silver, love silver. I'll throw in a little brass, a little gold. This year we introduced bronze, which I am absolutely loving. And so as a result, I have a lot of those things. Like one year I did a CB2 inspired Christmas, so I have a lot of ornaments that are brown and gold, and then I also have a lot of silver ornaments because I've decorated with silver. I have done a black tie theme, so I have a lot of black ornaments. So I thought, you know what? We're going to take all those ornaments, all those decor items, and we are going to marry them together. And this year's theme is going to be a mixed metal Christmas. That's what we're going to do. The theme is a mixed metal Christmas, and I am so excited to put it all together. So you're going to be seeing the black and the gold, and you see like the moody rust color and the mauve and the burgundy. All of those things are going to be coming in to my Christmas decorating, and I cannot wait. So I thought I would share with you a few of my Pinterest inspiration picks so you can see where I am going. So with my mixed metal theme, it's going to be moody. I want it to be moody, grown, and sophisticated. You guys know I always talk about my grown, sexy, sophisticated vibe. We're going to do that with Christmas. Remember, I blacked out my family room for fall a few years ago, you know, making it grown and sexy. So we're doing the same thing with Christmas. We're making Christmas a grown and sexy mixed metal Christmas. So I cannot wait. So let me show you a few of the mood or the Pinterest items that I have picked up. We're going with a lot of black. Will always use black. So we're going with a lot of black. We're going to incorporate some brown. Yes, we're going to do some brown. We're going to do some bronze, some gold, brass, silver, all of those things, along with a little crystal, because you know I have to have a little bling. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put it all together. So if you are excited and you want to get some inspiration, if you have not already subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I will say that we will start decorating for Christmas on November 1st. You know, I always like to try to decorate for Christmas on November 1st. So I have it up and at least a month before, you know, Christmas comes along. And I have that much longer to enjoy it because it takes a lot of time to put things together. If I'm going to take all that time, I want to enjoy it, guys. I want to enjoy it. So yeah, we're going to start decorating November 1st, and those are our colors. I'll put up my mood board inspiration here. You can see, and it's scrolling. Oh, I'm so excited. So I hope you are as well. I know today's video is short, but guys, I have been so busy. Things have been going on behind the scenes with my family, and I just haven't had a lot of time. So I do appreciate your patience. In the next video, I will walk you around and show you what's going on in my family room. I'll probably show you what's going on in the loft, and then that'll be it for fall. And then we're gonna jump right into Christmas. So yeah, as a YouTube content creator and influencer, the seasons fly by quick here, guys. Fly by really quick. I got my new RH Source catalog. Oh my gosh. So nice. You know what that means. We're going to be looking for some home decorating inspiration. And then you know what I like to do once I have my inspiration? I love to go on the hunt and get that luxe look for less. So yeah, I cannot wait to share with you what I have seen in this book. Oh my gosh, so many nice things. I don't need any new home decor. I'm gonna shop my home because I'm pretty sure I already have things like this. Oh my gosh, I love this. So, oh my gosh, I love this. So this will give you a little hint of what you can expect to see when I do my family room walkthrough. Look at those colors, guys. You know, my couch is like a charcoal gray. That's not changing, so we're bringing in the color using pillows. Woo. Cannot wait. So yeah, I'm ready to look through this book. Did you get your RH Source book? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the little fall inspiration I gave you so far. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Like I said, you don't want to miss the Christmas inspiration, so make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Pivots. Yeah, let's talk about pivots.